Today, the wind industry in Europe employs 300,000 people and manufactures components in 250 factories. But the wind supply chain is struggling, with inflation, supply chain bottlenecks, bad auction design, and intensifying global competition. And this is all happening when it's time for the supply chain to be ramping up. Europe needs at least 440 gigawatts of installed wind capacity by 2030 to meet its renewable energy goals, more than double what it is today. That means we need policies and support which recognise the value of wind being made in Europe for society and the economy. So where do we start? At WindEurope's annual event in Copenhagen, together with top industry representatives and policymakers, you'll hear how we can bring the supply chain back to growth, meet those 2030 targets, and bring renewable energy to all Europeans. I look forward to seeing you in Copenhagen.